Hello friends, I'm Sudhir and you are enjoying the YouTube channel English Carnival, a journey of learning with joy. Friends, today we are going to explore some multiple choice questions based on Anton Pavlovich Chekhov's popular prose The Bet. But friends, before we proceed, as usual, I request you to subscribe the channel by just pressing the subscribe button and hitting the bell icon so that you may get the notifications of uploaded such academic videos on this channel called English Carnival in coming days. Friends, Anton Chekhov was a brilliant Russian short story writer and playwright who mostly wrote about human loneliness, frustration, as well as the segregation of life in the Russia with which he was familiar. Friends, here this prose called The Bet is also one of such examples of his literary contribution, and it rightly shows the deep agony of a man who is faced with a conflict in life between what is profitable in terms of self-improvement and what is profitable in terms of monetary gain. Friends, here Anton P. Chekhov rightly uses the situation to present the idea that imprisonment does not necessarily deprive a person of their freedom. In short, friends, with the help of the character of the lawyer, Chekhov tries to convey the importance of life over material possessions. Friends, I'll separately prepare the video containing the summary and crucial threads of this prose later on for you all. So friends, let us move and see around 30 multiple choice questions based on Anton Chekhov's well-known prose, The Bet. Friends, we have the first question. Anton Pavlovich Chekhov was dash writer. Options are A. Russian, B. British, C. American, D. French. The correct answer is A, and that is Russian. Question number 2, we have Anton P. Chekhov was born in dash. Options are A. 1859, B. 1860, C. 1861, and D. 1862. The correct answer is B, that is 1860. Question number 3, we have dash was the main topic of discussion during dinner party. Options are A. Literature, B. Law, C. Capital punishment versus life imprisonment, and D. The value of knowledge. Correct answer is C, and the capital punishment versus life imprisonment was the main topic of discussion during the dinner party. Question number 4, we have in which season did the bet take place? Options are A. Winter, B. Summer, C. Autumn, and D. None of these. Correct answer is C, that is autumn. Question number 5, we have dash were not present in the party. Options are A. Lawyers, B. Doctors, C. Journalists, and D. The banker. Correct answer is B, and that is doctors. Question number 6, we have who organized the party? Options are A. The journalist, B. The banker, C. The lawyer, and D. The doctor. Correct answer is B, that is the banker was the person who organized the party. Question number 7, we have the banker believes in dash. Options are A. Beheading, B. Trial, C. Life imprisonment, and D. Capital punishment. The correct answer is D, and he believes in capital punishment. Question number 8, we have for whom do they consider capital punishment unsuitable? Options are A. The modern world, B. The Christian states, C. The Western world, and D. None of these. Correct answer is B, and that is the Christian states. Question number 9, we have the state is not dash according to one of the guests. Options are A. Important, B. Divine, C. God, and D. None of these. Correct answer is C, and that is the state is not the god. Question number 10, we have the bet took place between dash. Options are A. Doctor and lawyer, B. Lawyer and banker, C. Journalist and banker, and D. Banker and doctor. Correct answer is B, that is it took place between the lawyer and the banker. Question number 11, we have at the time of bet the lawyer was dash years old. Options are A. 23, B. 25, C. 26, and D. 27. Correct answer is B, and he was 25 years old at the time of bet. Question number 12 we have, what was the opinion of the lawyer about capital punishment and life imprisonment? Options are A. Being killed is immoral, B. Imprisonment is immoral, C. Both are equally immoral, and D. Capital punishment is immoral. Correct answer is C, that is both are equally immoral. Question number 13 we have, if the lawyer had to choose, which would he choose? Options are A. Death, B. Capital punishment, C. Life imprisonment, and D. None of these. Correct answer is C, and that is life imprisonment. Question number 14 we have, what was the duration or span of the bid? Options are A. 15 years, B. 5 years, C. 10 years, and D. 20 years. Correct answer is A, and it was having the span of 15 years. Question number 15 we have, dash extends the length or period of the bet. Options are A. Journalist, B. Banker, C. Lawyer, and D. People. Correct answer is C, that is lawyer. Question number 16 we have, what does the banker stake in the bet? Options are A. His home, B. His garden, C. His all assets, and D. 2 millions. Correct answer is D, and he stake his 2 millions. Question number 17 we have, what does the lawyer stake in the bet? Options are A. 2 millions, B. His home, C. His degree, and D. His freedom. Correct answer is D, and it was his freedom. Question number 18 we have, the bet is dash according to the narrator. Options are A. Smart, B. Meaningful, C. Senseless, and D. Appreciable. Correct answer is C, that is it was completely senseless. Question number 19 we have, dash is more human according to the banker. Options are A. Death, B. Capital punishment, C. Life imprisonment, and D. Prison. The correct answer is A, and death. Question number 20 we have, what does the banker do after the bet is finalized? Options are A. Tries to leave the place, B. Tries to convince the lawyer, C. Tries to get out of the bet himself, and D. None of these. Correct answer of this question is B, and after the bet he tries to convince the lawyer to quit. Question number 21 we have, on dash the bet started and ended up on dash. Options are A. November 14, 1870 and ended up on November 14, 1885, B. on December 14, 1870 and ended up on December 14, 1885, C. November 15, 1870 and ended up on November 15, 1885, and D. on December 15, 1870 and ended up on December 15, 1885. The correct answer of this question is A, that is November 14, 1870 to November 14, 1885. Question number 22 we have, why was the banker afraid of honoring the bet? Options are A. Lawyer was confined for a long period, B. The banker's economic condition had become weak, C. The banker was very rich, and D. None of these. Correct answer is B, and that is the banker's economic condition had become weak. Question number 23 we have, the lawyer read dash in the first year of his confinement. Options are A. Poems, B. Plays, C. Novels, and D. Newspapers. The correct answer is C, and he read novels. Question number 24 we have, the lawyer asked only for dash in the second year of his confinement. Options are A. the classics, B. wine, C. piano, and D. philosophical books. The correct answer of this question is A, and that is he asked only for the classics in the second year of his confinement. The next question, question number 25 we have, when the lawyer began jealously studying language, philosophy and history. Options are A. in the second half of the 5th year, B. in the second half of the 6th year, C. in the 6th year, and D. in the first half of the 6th year. Correct answer is B, and that is in the second half of the 6th year the lawyer began jealously studying language, philosophy and history. Question number 26 we have, the lawyer wrote a letter to the banker in dash languages. Options are A4, B5, C6 and D7. The correct answer is C, and he wrote a letter to the banker in 6 different languages. Question number 27 we have, The Lady with the Dog is a dash by Anton P. Chekhov. Options are A. Novel, B. Play, C. Poem and D. Prose. Correct answer is D, that is prose. Question number 28 we have, Anton P. Chekhov died on dash. Options are A. May 15th, 1902, B. June 15th, 1903, C. July 15th, 1904 and D. July 14th, 1905. Correct answer is C, and he died on July 15th, 1904. Question number 29 we have, Three Sisters is a dash by Anton P. Chekhov. Options are A. Novel, B. Play, C. Poem and D. Prose. Correct answer is B, and Three Sisters is a play by Anton P. Chekhov. The last question, question number 30 we have, to prove to you in action how I despise all that you live by. Who said it? Options are A. the lawyer, B. the banker, C. the journalist and D. none of these. The correct answer is A, and it was said by the lawyer. So friends, all these are the multiple choice questions based on Anton P. Chekhov's popular prose called The Bet. I hope friends you have liked all these multiple choice questions discussed in this presentation, and if you have liked it, then I request you to like it, share it among your friends, near and dear ones as well. Friends, if you are a new viewer to this channel, then I request you to subscribe to the channel by just pressing the subscribe button and hitting the bell icon, so that you may get the notifications of uploaded such academic videos on this particular channel called English Carnival in coming days. So friends, we'll meet soon again with a different video on different literary piece. Till then friends, just take care of yourself and be happy. Thank you very much.